Are you always broke before the month ends, even after getting paid? You're probably making at least one of these 5 common money mistakes. Mistake 1. No budget. If you don't tell your money where to go, it disappears. Most people spend blindly, then wonder where it all went. Start budgeting, even a simple 50/30ths 20 rule can change everything. Mistake 2. Impulse buying. See it, like it, buy it. If that sounds like you, it's costing you more than you realize. Wait 24 hours before buying anything that isn't essential. That pause can save you thousands over time. Mistake 3. Borrowing to survive. Mobile loans, friends, salary advances. Borrowing isn't income, it's a trap. If you keep borrowing to live, you'll always stay behind. Mistake 4. No emergency fund. One small crisis and your money is gone. Even saving KSH 100 a week builds a cushion over time. Start small, stay consistent. Mistake 5. Small daily leaks. Data bundles, snacks, subscriptions. These small leaks quietly drain your wallet. Track them. Cut what doesn't serve you. If you fix these 5 habits, you'll feel the difference in weeks, not months. Subscribe for more everyday finance tips, and let's grow your money, one smart move at a time. This is Everyday Finance Tips. Simple advice, smarter money, better life.